What's up guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For today's vlog, as you can see, I scrubbing a coconut because I'm going to cook a gulay na maanghang dahil sobra maulan at medyo maginaw ang panahon ngayon. And because sobra matagal na video natin, I will cut it. So let's go to slicing our panglahok in our gulay and I will cut it into small pieces. And after I cut the meat, I put the alamang in the lalagyan to wash it because it is very maalat. And after that, kung nakikita nyo, I take out a lot of chili because that is what I'm going to cook for today's vlog. And of course, I also cut it into small parts. And after I cut a lot of chili, I'm going to wash it to remove the other seeds and to reduce its spiciness. And sobra na naman nahihirapan ang damdamin ko sa pagbo-voice over. Muray niya po niyang pagal. Hindi ginusto ko, di pasigiya sana. So let's continue. I took the pan and then I put it on the lutuan and also put my sliced meat. At maghintay lang tayo ng ilang minuto hanggang sa mag golden brown ang ating karne. At kapag ganito na ang itsura ng ating karne na nag golden brown na yung kawali naman yung nag golden brown. At dahil golden brown na yung kawali, ilalagay ko na ang onion, garlic at ginger lintan para English pa. Nag-uyam na. Kaya amo na diluwag-luwagan ta na sila kapirti. Amo to nagre-rekat na ito karnisit ng kawali. And after mekos mga insan, I add the alamang. Alamang is very maasgat, so that I wash it so much because it's have a lot of disabog. You know, disabog is bilog na asin. And then masakit nakin magkailang kita sa kidney. Yan, halo-haloin na natin. And after nating mahalo-halo, ilagay na natin ang ating gata. Our gata is fresh from Kanyugan. And because the coconut milk, our kawali is so very nagkikirikit. And of course, our mikos again. And after a few minutes of mikos, I add our special ingredients, which is a more chili. Yan, siraman. But if you eat that so much, the result is so very maaldat. Yes. At kapag hindi ka masyado sanay kumain ng maanghang, don't try to eat this. Especially if you have almoranas in your lusbo. Linte na aldat. Anyways, dito lang kayo sa Bicol makakakita ng ginugulay na sili. Now, let's add a pampalasa para mas lalong sumarap. Mag-magic sarap. Magic sarap is a product of Nestle, kaya Nestle, baka naman. At kapag malapit ng maluto, ilagay na natin ang ating pineapple. Yan, para may tamis ang hang. And of course, imekos natin ulit yan mga insan para maghalo na yung pineapple sa ating gulay. At ayan na nga, luto na ang ating gulay na sili. Yes, that's it for today's video mga tropa. Thank you.